Female orgasm / biology of female. Hey and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. Female orgasm remains a topic of interest for scientists and researchers in the field of reproductive health. The biology of female orgasm is complex, and several studies have been conducted to understand the physiological and psychological aspects of it. In this video, we will explore the anatomy, physiology, and neurobiology of female orgasm, and the impact of psychological factors on sexual function. Anatomy of female orgasm. The female sexual organs consist of two major parts: the external genitalia and the internal genitalia. The external genitalia includes the clitoris, labia majora, and labia minora, while the internal genitalia includes the uterus, vagina, and ovaries. The clitoris is the primary organ of female orgasm. It is a small, highly sensitive organ that contains over 8,000 nerve endings. The clitoris has a similar embryonic origin to the penis in men, and both organs share similar functional characteristics. The labia majora and labia minora are two folds of skin that protect the entrance to the vagina. The labia majora contains sweat and oil glands, while the labia minora contains nerve endings that are involved in sexual arousal. The vagina is an elastic, muscular canal that connects the cervix and the external genitalia. The cervix is the entrance to the uterus, which is a pear-shaped organ that houses the developing fetus during pregnancy. Physiology of female orgasm. The physiology of female orgasm involves a complex interplay of hormonal, vascular, and neurological processes. The process of sexual arousal and orgasm in females can be divided into four distinct phases: excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution. During the excitement phase, the body undergoes several changes in response to sexual stimuli. The heart rate and blood pressure increase, and blood flow to the genitals increases, resulting in vaginal lubrication. The clitoris and labia engorge with blood, and the nipples become erect. During the plateau phase, the body prepares for orgasm. The vagina continues to lubricate, and the clitoris becomes more sensitive. The labia become darker and more swollen, and the uterus and cervix move in a rhythmic motion. During orgasm, the body experiences intense pleasure and release of sexual tension. Muscles throughout the body contract, including those in the genitals, leading to a sensation of intense pleasure that is accompanied by rhythmic contractions of the uterus and the surrounding muscles. During the resolution phase, the body returns to its resting state. The muscles that were contracted during orgasm relax, and the body returns to its pre-arousal state. Neurobiology of female orgasm. The neurobiology of female orgasm involves a complex interplay of neurotransmitters, hormones, and brain regions. Dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins are some of the key neurotransmitters that are involved in sexual arousal and orgasm. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure and reward. During sexual arousal, dopamine levels increase in the brain, leading to a sense of pleasure and anticipation. Oxytocin is a hormone that is released during orgasm and is believed to be involved in social bonding and attachment. Oxytocin levels increase during sexual arousal and orgasm, leading to feelings of closeness and intimacy. Endorphins are natural painkillers that are released during orgasm, leading to a sense of euphoria and well-being. The brain regions that are involved in female orgasm include the hypothalamus, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. The hypothalamus is involved in the regulation of sexual behavior, while the amygdala is involved in the processing of emotional stimuli. The prefrontal cortex is involved in decision-making and executive function. Psychological factors influencing female orgasm. Psychological factors can have a significant impact on female sexual function and orgasm. Stress, anxiety, depression, and relationship issues can all impact sexual desire and function. Stress and anxiety can inhibit sexual function by increasing cortisol levels, which can reduce sexual desire and arousal. Depression can also impact sexual function by reducing libido and feelings of pleasure. Relationship issues can impact sexual function by reducing intimacy and closeness, leading to a decrease in sexual desire and function. In conclusion, female orgasm is a complex interplay of anatomy, physiology, and neurobiology. The clitoris is the primary organ of female orgasm, and sexual function is influenced by hormonal, vascular, and neurological processes. Psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, and relationship issues can have a significant impact on female sexual function and orgasm. Continued research in this field will lead to a greater understanding of female sexuality and sexual function. If you like this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.